What are the different types of spectroscopic techniques present? These are the various spectroscopic techniques we are going to use in pharmaceutical analysis. First one is UV visible spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, mass spectroscopy, Nmr spectroscopy, fluorescence spectroscopy, flame photometry, X-ray spectroscopy and crystallography, Raman spectroscopy, plasma emission spectroscopy, and photothermal spectroscopy. So, first coming to UV visible spectroscopy. It is also known as ultraviolet visible spectroscopy or ultraviolet visible spectrophotometry. In short forms, we can termed as UV visible or and also write it as UV visible spectroscopy. These UV visible spectroscopy is carried out in ultraviolet and visible regions. And second one is IR spectroscopy. It is also called as infrared or vibrational spectroscopy. It is the measurement of the interaction of infrared radiation with matter by absorption, emission, or reflection. It is used to study and identify chemical substances or functional groups in solids, liquids, or also in gaseous forms. And third one is mass spectroscopy. Mass spectroscopy is an analytical technique that measures the mass to charge ratios of the ions of the analyte we are going to analyze. The results are typically presented as a mass spectrum, a plot of intensity as a function of the mass to charge ratio. It is used to elucidate the structure and chemical properties of the different molecules. And fourth one is Nmr spectroscopy, most commonly known as nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy or magnetic resonance spectroscopy. It is a spectroscopic technique to observe local magnetic field around atomic nuclei. NMR is the most powerful tool to elucidate the number of hydrogens and used to precisely identifying the molecular structure.